Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy shots for St. Patrick's Day. Now I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you. Alright, let's get started with the first shot. Alright, so the first shot is called Irish Wake Up. I came up with this recipe. Now for this we're going to need Jameson cold brew, Irish cream, I got Bayley's here, and Frangelico. Alright, so I'm going to start by adding ½ ounce of Bayley's. Next, ½ ounce of Frangelico. And finally, ½ ounce of Jameson cold brew. Now I'm going to use the back of the spoon to layer this on top. And that's how you make the Irish Wake Up. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, so for this shot we're going to need 2 ingredients. We're going to need Khalua and Bayley's. Alright, so I'm going to start by adding 1 ounce of Khalua. And ½ ounce of Bayley's. And that's how you make the Babyguinness. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, so this recipe calls for Midori, Irish whiskey, and Irish cream. Alright, so this shot is shaking, so I'm going to start by adding ice into a mixing glass. Now I'm going to start by adding ½ ounce of Midori. ½ ounce of Irish whiskey. And finally, ½ ounce of Bayley's. We're gonna shake it. And that's how you make the Shamrock Shot. And there you have 3 easy shots for St. Patrick's Day. Now if you like the video, give me some thumbs up. If you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!